Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be working on this black and white granny spike stitch mini crossbody bag. It's about 5 inches wide from the bottom and 5 inches tall from the top. Okay, let's begin. What you'll need is scissors, a 3.5mm hook, stitch markers which are optional, and a weight for yarn in 2 colors. First, start with a magic circle. Chain 2. And create 10 half double crochets inside your magic circle. Tighten your magic circle. Then you're going to slip stitch at the top of the chain 2. Chain 2 again. Now we're going to create 2 half double crochets in each stitch. At the end of the row, slip stitch and chain 2. Next, we're going to create 1 half double crochet in the first stitch. Then we're going to create 2 half double crochets to increase in the second stitch. Repeat increasing in every second stitch until the end of the row. Slip stitch and chain 2. Now create 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And 2 half double crochets in the third stitch. Repeat 2 half double crochets in every third stitch. At the end of your 6th row, you're going to slip stitch and chain 3. Yarn over and add 3 double crochets inside the 2nd stitch. The chain 3 acts as stitch number 1. Skip 3 stitches and add 3 double crochets in the 4th stitch. Repeat skipping and double crocheting 3 in the 4th stitch until the end of the row. At your last stitch, then you're going to slip stitch and add in your 2nd color of yarn. Chain 3. Now we're going to begin granny spike stitching. First, you're going to start granny spike stitching in the next open space. Begin by double crocheting in the open space, then double crocheting again in the 2nd stitch on the bottom. Then you're going to double crochet again in the open space. Now you completed your first granny spike stitch. Continue spike stitching until the end of the row. Towards the end, slip stitch at the top of the chain 3 while interchanging yarn. Chain 3. You're going to continue again to granny spike stitch until the end of the row. At the last stitch, you're going to double crochet before the chain 3. Then you're going to slip stitch and add in your second color again. Continue granny spike stitching for a total of 7 rows. Every even row you will end off with a single double crochet before your chain 3. In the last row, you should end off with a spike stitch, a double crochet, and a slip stitch. It should look like this once it's finished. There should be 6 white granny spike stitch rows and 7 brown granny spike stitch rows. Now we're going to chain 1 and single crochet in each stitch for 4 rows. At the end of the last row, you're going to slip stitch, cut, and secure your work. Now we're going to make the drawstring. Start with 2 strands, slip knot, and chain until you reach 30 inches unstretched. Secure the ends when finished. Start feeding the string through the spaces created by the granny spike stitches. You should have 1 space left in the front of the bag, with both ends pointing out. Here is the finished look after the drawstring. Next, we're going to make the straps using the keychain clips. Slip knot and chain until you reach roughly 40 to 42 inches, whichever is the best length for you. At the end, start half double crocheting in the third chain from the hook. Continue half double crocheting until the end of the row. At the end, chain 2 and half double crochet for the rest of the second row. Cut and secure your strap. Place your finished strap through your clipped keychain. Then sew the fold together. You will repeat this for the other end. Here is how it should look after sewing the two folds together. Next, you're going to clip the straps 9 sections from the front on both sides. And you're done! Your mini crossbody bag is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Thank you.